everybody, and welcome to another Thrinacia Webinar video. My name is Kyle, and I'm a business developer here at Thrinacia, and I'm joined again with David.
Hello, I'm a front-end developer here at Thrinacia.
So this video, we're going to teach you guys how to use Thrinacia Atlas for equity, real estate, and loans-based paradigms. We're going to be covering what Atlas was originally designed for, how to use Atlas for those paradigms mentioned, and then David's going to show you guys a little demonstration of how you can do that, enable those features for those types of paradigms, and as a portal administrator. So Atlas is originally designed for rewards and donations-based paradigms. With that said, though, it's also possible to use the platform for equity, real estate, and loans-based paradigms. What you would have to do is disable the payment processing. So that means that users, when they come onto your website, they won't be able to actually contribute to any of the campaigns. You're also going to disable the campaign creation. So, the whole idea is that users can go onto the website and they can view the campaigns and see how much has actually being contributed to each campaign. And then what you can do is add in all of the payments, whether they be from bank wire payments or checks or any other external payment method. You can add those payments onto the campaigns manually. And David's going to show you guys quickly how to do that. Now, if you want anything specifically designed for your workflow, maybe you want to add percentages or anything else, you can always feel free to message us. And we can get our in-house developers to give you a free quote on how many hours we think it'll take to develop. So what David's going to show you guys is how to configure your portal so that you can actually use it for real estate, equity, and loans-based paradigms. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now and let David share his screen.
For sure. So awesome. So if you guys can see my screen, what we have here is your standard campaign listing. So yeah, so to enable our platform for real estate and equity paradigms, there are a few changes in the administrator dashboard that need to be changed. So going into it and then into portal settings and then payment settings, make sure that the payment processing is turned to off, and then click the Save Payment Settings button. And then two things in the campaign settings, scrolling down, we'll see that, I'll just go ahead and find it. The online campaign contributions, make sure that this is also turned off. And in the text box here, you can give some instructions to the user on how to set up a transaction manually. And then scrolling down some more, there's another setting called admin campaign management only. So turning this on will disable regular users from creating new campaigns, and only admins can create new campaigns onto your platform. After you've set all those settings, go ahead and go to the bottom, click on the Save button. And after you've done that, going back to the listing, if you click on the Contribute button, that little instruction snippet we put into the text box on the other settings, they show up here, instructing the user how to schedule a transaction. Now, how you actually do the transaction is, again, going into the administrator dashboard and then go into the campaigns tab. So to manually add a campaign, simply scroll down, find your campaign in the list, and then press the little add button off to the side here. And then you'll be taken to this menu where you can manually enter the details for the transaction. So let's just do test transaction, email, doesn't really matter. Phone number, I don't think it matters either. And then you can choose the type of the contribution you'd like to do, and then the contribution amount. So let's just do $130 because it's a distinctive number. And then reference number, you can create this by yourself and then use it to reference back to the customer, the client, on the transaction. So we'll just put it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just a random number. And then go ahead and click Add Transaction. Yep, so it's in progress. And then manual transaction is added. So if we go here, yep, see our transaction shows up for $130. And then reference number. Yeah, and it also shows up on this page under backers, but I'll just reload the page first. Yeah. So you'll be able to see all the transactions that are made, even if they were added manually in using the administrator dashboard. Once it loads, I'll be able to show you. So, yeah, so going to the backers, you'll see, yeah, test transaction, $130. Yeah, and that's all there is to it.
Cool. So you guys can see that you can add manual transactions to any type of crowdfunding campaign that you want, whether it be equity, real estate, or loans-based paradigms. As I mentioned before, if there is any sort of custom features that you need to be created, you can either manipulate the front-end UI yourself through the source code, which we have many videos to show you guys how to manipulate the code, or you can get our in-house developers to do that. If you guys have any questions, you can go to Thrinacia.com and click on the live chat there at the top right-hand corner. David's going to go there. You can click on the Slack chat, create a user, and then chat with us live to, get any sort of questions that you want answered, as well as email us at support@Thrinacia.com. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Thanks.